Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a commonly faced issue by many newbies to the makeup, that is why my foundation turns dark. So this is not your foundation turning dark, it is all about oxidation. Your foundation is getting oxidized, and I'm going to talk about this in today's video in detail, and I will also give tips to avoid this process or slow down this process. And yes, if you want to know more about this, you have to watch this video till end, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So first, let's just understand why your foundation is turning dark just after few hours of application. So answer to this question is your foundation consists of some kind of ingredients that reacts with oxygen or with your skin oils. Hence, your skin starts to turn looking more darker or orange. Because of that, most of this issue is faced by the people who have oily skin texture, because they produce more oil, so the reaction process is much faster in oily skin type. Now we understood what's the problem, and now let's understand how you can prevent the oxidation process. Now we have addressed the problem, we know what's the issue. Now let's talk about how to prevent this issue, and for that now I'm going to share with you few tips. So please continue watching this video till end so that you won't miss out on any of these steps. The first step is to always begin with a clean canvas. That means washing your face with a mild face wash before you apply any kind of skincare products or even makeup. Don't start with the makeup or skincare without cleaning your face, because it will help to get rid of excess oil. Therefore, you will have your skin more prepped and ready for skincare routine and makeup. Now your face is all clean and ready for your skincare routine, and this skincare routine must consist of these three products, that is toner, moisturizer and sunscreen. The first step in skincare routine is to apply toner, and the reason is to balance out the skin pH level, and it is a necessary step to balance out skin pH level, because if your skin pH is more acidic, it will speed up the oxidation process, and therefore your skin will look more darker in no time. So it is an essential step to use a toner before you apply moisturizer. So the next step is to apply moisturizer, and for moisturizer always go for a light gel based consistency moisturizer. Please avoid using a cream based moisturizer, because if you use a cream based heavy moisturizer, it will start releasing oil quickly and it will speed up the oxidation process of your foundation. The last step is to apply sunscreen, and I don't have to talk much about it, because all we know sunscreen is so really important in your skincare routine, and even applying sunscreen before makeup is a necessary thing to do. So now all your skincare routine is done. Now it's time to apply foundation, but here's the thing: before you apply foundation directly on your skin, go for a primer, and yes, try to use a silicone based primer, because it will create a barrier between your skin oil and foundation oil, and therefore it will reduce the process of reaction between these two oils, and yeah, it will slow down the speed of oxidation. So now it's time to apply foundation, and there is a small tip that you should always follow when you apply foundation. If you have a cream base or a liquid foundation, make sure you take foundation first on back of your palm, a little quantity of it on back of your palm, then apply that foundation with help of your fingers in dots all over your face, and then blend that foundation with help of a clean brush. Okay, then after blending is done, take a beauty sponge and dab it on your foundation gently, so that you will get rid of excess product. And if you get rid of excess product, it will definitely slow down the oxidation process, and also your skin won't look cakey at all. Last tip: when you are done with the application of foundation, it is really necessary to set your foundation with help of a compact powder or a translucent powder, any powder of your choice. But there are many people with dry skin avoid this step, which is so wrong. You should always apply a powder after you're done with your makeup, with your base makeup, just to set everything in and just to make sure that everything stays on place. Here comes a small tip for those who have dry skin: don't go for a translucent or a banana powder, go for a compact powder instead, and just use a little quantity of it, like take it on brush, little quantity of it on brush or the sponge, and apply it all over your face in dabbing motion, so that it will not make your skin look really dry, or it won't make your skin feel dry. So here comes last two tips, which is not related to application of any product, but it is really necessary to keep in mind. That is, whenever you use or apply a foundation on your skin, make sure you use all that product with help of clean set of brush or sponge, and also check on your expiry date of your foundation, because if it's expired, then definitely your foundation will quickly get oxidized. So these are the tips that you should never forget, and you have to keep track of this. Guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you have found this video really helpful. If you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit the like button. And even if you want to share this with your friends and family, please do that, and even spread this information among them also. And I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.